The market gives you opportunities all the time to buy quality, high-growth companies at valuations that are below their historic averages. You just need to have the clarity and the focus to find those opportunities and then to execute on them. And that's really what we're all about at Rainier.
Rainier Investment Management is an asset management firm located in Seattle, Washington. The reason we've been successful over the years is we have kept a small, tightly knit team together with an intense bottom-up focus on different parts of the market.
We're a small team of experienced professionals. We work together on a team-based approach to try to find some of the best and most interesting growth companies to invest and put in our portfolios.
If you're going to be in a small group, or even if you're going to be in a large group, but certainly in a small group, there's a very high premium on the collaborative nature of working together.
On the large cap team, the strategy lead, Mark Dawson, ultimately has responsibility for the investments that are put in the portfolio. But because it is a collaborative approach, we work together structuring this portfolio on a stock-by-stock basis.
Every stock is looked at by at least two people at a time. Nobody's working in isolation. To get from a large opportunity set, which are these companies that had above average growth, reasonable price, and a catalyst, to understand if indeed what we have screened for is actually happening.
The larger capitalization companies, these are well-established entities that are well covered by Wall Street. And you really need to bring some experience and perspective to the strategic positioning of the fundamentals for these companies. We do a lot of fundamental research. We speak to company management teams almost on a daily basis. We go out to industry conferences, really trying to understand the secular trends and the dynamics on an industry-by-industry basis.
Our primary means of tracking risk is to maintain exposure to most parts of the market, not be excessively concentrated, either in individual stocks or in particular sectors or industries.
That's where sector specialization comes in. Each of us as a portfolio manager, we do wear two hats. We wear the role of the portfolio manager, where we're managing the overall strategy and portfolio. At the same time, we're also analysts. We go in and we look at business models, we look at earnings projections, we look at all the basic facts that really drives the success of a company. We sit together in one large trading floor. We don't have corner offices at Rainier. What we do have is we do have an environment where we don't need to pick up the phone to talk to each other. We sit just 6 to 7 feet apart, and we're able to really understand what each individual is doing and how best to kind of help each other out as far as finding the best opportunities, finding companies that are exciting, and making sure that those ideas get put into the portfolios. We don't have side portfolios that we invest in personally. We're banned from doing that. We don't own shares personally in the companies that we're investing in for our clients. We can't own shares, period.
There is only so much mental bandwidth that people have. And we want to make sure that when people are thinking about the stock market, that they're thinking about the client portfolios and not about their personal portfolios.
That's key. That really aligns my interests with the interests of our clients.
But we have to remember what the ultimate objective is that we're after, which is to achieve investment success for these people who have entrusted us with this money.
We are a boutique firm at Rainier here in Seattle, but we believe that a handful of focused individuals can be very, very competitive. And we have the long-term track record that proves that. It's a winning model.